Hello! Today I thought I'd film a little video just showing how to do an autumn look on your eyes. I'm going to be using only Younique products. I basically ordered the kit again recently as I haven't sold it for a really long time and I wasn't really sure if I was going to again. Basically I started in a new industry and I'm just building up my client base, so I'm now a laser specialist doing hair removal, tattoo removal and things like that, so I'm absolutely loving it so far. So like I said, I need to build up my client base and just see how I get on. So I ordered the kit and some of the products again I kind of fell in love with. So I thought today I'm going to just film an autumn look using just eye products. So I'm not going to be doing full face, I've already done my foundation and everything like that. And just kind of see how it all turns out. So I will get on with it. Okay, so cat. What are you doing? What are you doing? You see his tail? He's like moved actually next to me like a shadow because he had some teeth out yesterday. My first product of choice is the Moonstruck Liquid Shadow. So when I was originally selling this, they didn't have this product. So this was something new in the box that I was like, I like it. So this is basically, it's all going to be back to front. Basically this is what it looks like. This is in the colour Reverend. Really? Sit here. You sit down nicely. You're not going to look at the camera? This is Rocky, by the way, if anyone wants to know. He probably won't sit nicely, but if he does, that'd be great. So yeah, it's in the colour Reverend, and it is a really, really nice metallic colour, liquid shadow, literally as it says. It comes like this. So it looks like an old lipstick type, or lip gloss type thing. So let me put it on one side so you can see. You only need a tiny bit, so what I do is I just scrape a little bit off and then pop it on the eyelid. So that's basically how it originally looks. So I only put it on sort of a little bit above the crease, but it's beautiful. So what I'm going to use is just a really flat brush and just blend it across my eyes just to make sure it's a little more even. It's so shiny as well, so it's beautiful. It's almost like a bit of a coppery gold colour, so it's like perfect for autumn. I'm also going to say, excuse the background of this, we've still got like clothes rails underneath it, and to be honest the sheet probably looks even worse, but I just don't like the look of the rails. Eventually we'll get wardrobes, we just haven't got around to it yet, so we'll do it eventually. What I'm going to do as well, so this is one of my original palettes I had, so it's the palette 1. This is nearly pretty much all gone, to be fair, and it's broken, everything, but that has loads of like golds, browns, that sort of shade. So I'm going to use the colour Chipper with blending brush and basically just dab that into my crease and then up and round. This is like quite a soft brown. You just want to blend it into the corners, up a little bit and then over your eyelid. I always avoid going too far down here because I like to keep that area of my eye quite bright. Everyone's eye shape will be slightly different as well, so mine in general always look better if I kind of go more into a point and then blend it after. Some people have very different eye shapes, so you can kind of change it up. so I don't go up too high, and I still want to leave under my eyebrows quite bright. If you do go up a little bit higher, sometimes then go over it with like a lighter colour just to kind of blend it back out again. I'm going to use Forthright as well, which is a slightly darker brown, and also a tap of Zealous as well, which is more of a shimmer colour, and I'm literally just going to go in this corner and that's it. This basically just kind of gives the eye a little bit more depth. Okay, so that's basically the main bits of shadow that I'll put on. So it's obviously not blended yet, but you can see that the colours in general are really pretty. So I've got like quite a small blending brush, which I always use to kind of go up and around here just to soften that all off. And also the other end of this brush is like a really short stubby one, and what I'm going to do is go back into Forthright and Zealous. They are the two darker browns, and I'm going to go under my eye. I don't really wear eyeliner, so this acts as like a softer approach to eyeliner instead, so that basically goes underneath and it blends at the same time. And again on this side. And then I'm going to do the same on top and join up here. So you just want to go sort of in the corner. Don't go all the way across my eyelid, I only stay in the corners. You can kind of build this up as you go, depending on how dark you want it. So I don't want mine, probably looks darker on camera than it actually is. And then just blend as you go. And then you can use the other end to soften off the lines as well. Okay. What are you doing? Cat's hiding under there. Okay. So that's basically mainly the eyes. I'm going to use the Moodstruck Epic Mascara. That's a new one. So when I was working for Younique before, this wasn't available. So this hasn't got sort of a two-part step. So it's purely just normal mascara. So I'm just going to apply it. I always start at the base of my lashes and then wiggle up to stop any clumps. Or look up to the ceiling and then blink down onto the wand. Really helps to kind of make your lashes really long. I actually really like this mascara, it's my go-to one at the moment. As you can see just from my top lashes, I always do this as well, but they're just so long. So I'm just going to do underneath as well. Everyone has their own technique for doing mascara. I have quite long lashes anyway, and I have had them tinted and lifted recently. So they're obviously like kind of more upright than they would normally be, but this mascara is great. Making them even longer. And it's a good mascara actually because it doesn't like flake off throughout the day. Which I hate. I hate it when you like look at your face and you've got like melted makeup halfway down your face. And this doesn't really happen. So that's basically my eyes. I've probably got mascara on it, which I will sort out after I always use like a little Q-tip and just get rid of them. My favourite by far is this new product. It just goes on, it's so easy to like use, and you can use it with pretty much any of the colours in that one as well, so I do like it. I'm just going to brush out my brows. I don't really wear anything on my brows anymore because I quite like the shape of them, and I find that if I kind of mess around with them too much, they kind of fall out when I'm taking my makeup off in the evening. So all I do is brush through them every day when I do my makeup, and that's it. If I'm going out, then I'll put some brow product through them and just kind of sharpen them a bit, but they're already darker than my natural hair colour and things like that anyway, so I don't mind if they're a bit darker. But yeah, I'm just going to finish off the look with a lipstick, but other than that, that is literally it. I don't know what one. I'm just going to use the lip liner in Plush. I always go over all my lips after, just so it evens it all out. I don't press down too hard though. Actually, I'm going to use a Younique one as well because I kind of vary. I've got, I'm not even going to tell you how many lipstick I've got. So I'm going to use Well To Do, which is just a really nice nude colour. I do have to be careful with nudes because I'm so pale. I'm just going to blend it out. My finger. Yeah, there you go. That is my finished look. Nice and easy, to be fair. It literally, well, didn't take me too long at all. When I'm actually doing my makeup without obviously filming it, it just takes me like probably 5 minutes to do my eyes. It's so easy to blend, so it doesn't take long at all. But I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions about any of the products I've used, please send me a message. Bye!